Padded camera compartment fits any combination of camera and drone equipment. Fully adjustable, padded dividers create a custom fit. Padded storage for a tablet up to 10.5. Rear access to camera equipment provides enhanced security. Top compartment provides versatile bulk storage for personal items. Top reviews from the United States. I thought the quality price is very good, and the size is ideal for walking with it. The handles can be adjusted. I would still have liked to cut the handle a little bit shorter to have it on the upper back. Overall, it is a very good product.